Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the option to double tap the screen to turn it on. Right now, if we double tap the screen on the empty space, it will turn off, but this is by default. And if we double tap the screen, it should wake up. But for whatever reason, this function is turned off and we want it back. So how to turn it on? We have to go to settings, then we are looking for our advanced features, and here in motion and gestures we have our double tap the screen to turn it on. We simply check this little box and let's see if it works. So double tap to off and double tap to turn it on again. As I said, this function is turned on by default, but if it's turned off for whatever reason, we can turn it back on from this menu. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.